Many students mix these three words up. Let's fix it in under 3 minutes. Mr. Mitchell here, and welcome to Nothing Fancy Literacy. In this lesson, we are learning about homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and different spellings. Today we are focusing on to, and to. Let's start with to. To is often used when we are talking about movement, or when we are doing something. I am going to the park. I like to read books. Now let's look at to. To can mean also, or it can mean more than enough. I want to come too. It is too hot today. Finally, we have to. Two is simply the number. I have 2 dogs. She ate 2 apples. Now it's your turn. Choose the correct homophone to complete each sentence. She has pencils. I want come with you. It is hot to wear a jumper today. Pause the video here, and then we'll check the answers together. Let's check the answers together. She has 2 pencils. I want to come with you. It is too hot to wear a jumper today. If you got those correct, well done. So remember, homophones are words that sound the same, but have different meanings and different spellings. Keep learning with our Learn Homophones playlist. Next, watch our lesson on there, and there. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. I'll see you in the next video.